Hello everyone. Welcome to the solution of LeetCode problem 111 named minimum depth of binary tree. In this problem, we are given a binary tree and we have to find its minimum depth. So here, the minimum depth is the number of nodes along the shortest path from the root node down to the nearest leaf node. And a leaf node is a node with no children. Suppose, and let's understand this example. This tree has root 3 and it has 3 leaf nodes, which is 9, 15 and 7. So for the leaf node 9, the distance will be 1 edge and number of nodes presented in this path is 3 and 9, which is 2. Similarly, for this node 15 and 7, the number of nodes presented in the path between 15 and 7 and 3 will be 3, which is 327, which is the 3 number of node. Again, 3, 20, 15, which is the 3 number of node. So the minimum of all of them is 2. So we have to return 2. I hope you understood the problem statement. Now let's move on to the algorithm. Now, to solve this problem, we have taken this example. And to calculate the minimum depth, we will use the depth first search and the in-order tree traversal technique. So here we know that in the in-order traversal, we will first visit the root and complete the search into the left part. After that, we will complete the search into the right part or the right subtree. Now, if we apply the DFS function, we will first come to the root node 3. Then from this, we will move to the left node 9. Now, its left and right children is null. So both of them will return 0. And 9 will return the minimum of left children value, which is 0, and the right children value, which is 0 plus 1, which is 1. So it is returning 1. Now from these 3, we will move to node 20. From 20, we will move to 15. And it has also true left and right children, which is null. So it will return 1. Now from this 20, we will move to this 7 and it will also return 1 because of the two null children. And 20 will return 1 plus minimum of left children value and right children value, which is minimum of 1 and 1. So it will be 1 plus 1, which will be 2. So we have seen that for the root node, the left children return value is 1 and the right children return value is 2. And the root node will return 1 plus minimum of 1 and 2, which will be 1 plus 1, that means 2. So here we can see that for this node or for this tree, the minimum depth is 2, which is this path, this green path. Because for the root node 3 and the leaf node 9, this path 3 to 9 has the minimum number of node, which is 3 and 9. So here the output will be 2. And this is how we're going to solve this problem by using the depth first search and in-order traversal. I hope you understood the algorithm. Now let's move on to the code. In this problem, the code is pretty simple. At first, we are given a function named mean depth, which has a tree as a parameter. Now the root is null. We have to return true. Otherwise, if the root of left is null, that means the root does not have any of the left subtree. We have to simply return 1 plus and recursively call the minimum depth on the right subtree. Similarly, if the root does not have any of the right subtree, we have to return 1 plus recursively call on the left subtree. Otherwise, we have to return 1 plus minimum of left and right. And here left is the return value of the left subtree node, and the right is the return value of the right subtree. So finally, we have to return 1 plus minimum of left and right, which is the minimum depth of a tree. I hope you understood the code. Thank you everyone for watching the video. We will get back soon with another LeetCode solution.